Hello everyone, today we're going to be unboxing the LEGO Creator Set 40106. It has 107 pieces. It's the little promotional set that you got back in October, I think, when you spent a certain amount of money. It looks like a little elf toy shop type of a set. It will go really good with the new Santa's Workshop set that came out. This one. Let's open it up, see what we got inside. It's everything in there. We've got, let's see, we've got a couple plates here. Look at that, that's that new kind of beigey, fleshy color that we got in the Simpsons set. And a white, these are 6x8 plates, so those were loose. We've got a bag of tools here, black tools. Look, there's a couple paintbrushes in there. Little elf hats. You can probably hear my cat running around friskily. She likes to do that. And then we've got an instruction manual here. There's the back. Advertising the creator sets, the winter village type sets. There's the parts. So that's that. That's what's in the box here. We've got one instruction manual. 3 little bags of parts and 2 loose plates. That's what's in the box, and thanks for watching.